Introducing the Swiftbulider resin pump. Using a light curing 3D printer has its headaches. Recycling leftover resin is a pain. One wrong move and resin spills everywhere, a real mess. If it lands on the screen, it gets blurry and can scratch it, messing up future prints. Printers with existing withdrawal mechanisms are slow as molasses. Takes 6 minutes to withdraw 500 milliliters. Plus, shared pipes mean resin contamination. But don't worry. The Swiftbulider resin pump is here. Super easy to use. If you have hands, you can handle it. The top switch turns green for withdrawal mode. -65 kilopascals negative pressure sucks up resin fast, so 500 milliliters takes just 50 seconds. We chose a detachable design for specific bottles, avoiding contamination. Bottle can store a bit of resin too. Silicone duckbill scrapes off remaining resin quickly. Press the button for red light and release mode to transfer resin. Resin on the tray? A quick wipe with a tissue and it's clean. This resin pump can handle thick resin like a boss. It's adaptable. If you use a light curing printer, you need this resin withdrawal wonder tool. Thank you.